Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Password and Security. Then click on Lock Screen Password and select one of those password types. You can always change it later on. Numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in the pop-up. And then tap on Use a different password type and select the other one if you changed your mind. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, or pattern. Finally, you get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. In order to add a fingerprint right away, hit Enable in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from the screen. But you can always choose Cancel and just do it later. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!